A core principle of the surgical protocol is the minimally invasive procedure, starting with local anesthesia. Ubistasine 1 to 100,000 is recommended. Anesthesia is administered in the area of the planned implant sites. The transfer of the distal implantation sites is done by using the template. With a probe, bleeding points are set on the mucosa. Pilot drilling is performed using a drill with a diameter of 1.1 millimeters. It is a disposable drill for single use only. Drilling should be done with external cooling using sterile saline solution. To ensure safe guidance, the contra-angle handpiece should be supported on the power head. To prevent thermal damage to the bone bed, the drill must be moved up and down. This also enables more efficient cooling. The primary goal of pilot drilling is penetration of the cortical bone. Depending on bone quality, drill depths of between 1 and 2/3 of the length of the implant thread are necessary. The level of resistance decreases perceptibly on penetration of the cortical bone. Cut pilot drills can be used as parallelization posts. The implants are delivered sterile in a small plastic tube. The cap serves to both take it out of the packaging and to position the implant. First few turns can be executed using the cap until the thread grips the bone. Then the cap can be removed. In principle, all implants must be inserted slowly, with a short break after each quarter turn to prevent thermal damage and allow bone compression. The finger driver allows a sensitive insertion and minor corrections to the angulation if necessary. Once the resistance gets too high, the next instrument, the winged thumb wrench, is used. The winged thumb wrench allows higher forces to be applied. For the last windings and final position, the graduated torque wrench is used, thereby determining the final torque for control. In order to receive primary stability for immediate loading, 35 and 45 Newton-centimeters are needed. The wrench head must be stabilized with a finger in order to prevent shearing forces as a result of tilting. The rest of the implants are set in the same way as described before. Using the control OPG, the correct positioning of the implants is checked a final time. The prosthesis is supported by the soft tissue and the rubber O-ring, the principle of the MDI soft loading concept. There is no direct contact between the metal housing and the O-ball, which prevents the implant from being overloaded.